Foam rolling exercises for your glutes. The reason why we want to make sure that these guys are loosened up is because they help with the low back pain, because they help stabilize the spine. So we want to make sure that these guys are loosened up and firing. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and take this foam roller. You're going to go ahead and sit on it. And then the leg that you want to roll out, you're going to go ahead and cross that leg over the other. You're going to make sure that your arm is down on the floor supporting you. And then you're gonna go ahead and roll back and forth over this. Find a tender spot, hang out there, go back and forth for a little bit. As that loosens up, go ahead and move up and down. And then from there, you're gonna go ahead and loosen all of those glute muscles up. All right, that was our foam rolling exercise. I hope that helped you guys with your low back pain.